No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small, flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2032 3-volt. First, slide the mechanical latch on the back of the key fob sideways and remove the emergency key. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the gap next to the emergency key slot and carefully pry the cover slightly open. Using your fingers, separate the outer case. The inner part of the fob, where the buttons are, also houses the battery and also needs to be removed by hand. Next, use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery or slide it out with your finger. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Reattach the inner portion of the fob, then snap both outer halves together. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.